Alright, so in this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can get a $1,000 free prop firm account. And I want you to know that in the previous video, I've been making from $15 new deposit bonus to the $40 new deposit bonus. We've gotten a lot of withdrawal proofs. As you can see, this is the withdrawal proof we got yesterday from the $40 no deposit bonus. And a lot of withdrawal proofs have also been coming in from the $15 no deposit bonus. As you can see right here, this is a withdrawal of $940 right here. Now, this is to show you that you can actually make money from no deposit bonuses. All right. You just have to follow each update I'm dropping for you guys. So yesterday, I dropped a video concerning a $40 no deposit bonus, and some of you were able to get it, while some of you were not able to get it because you got the update late. So that you'll not be getting update late, just ensure you are in my Telegram channel. So just use the link in the description to join my Telegram channel so that you'll not be missing out on wonderful updates like this. But before I proceed, if this is your first time of coming across my channel, please ensure you hit that subscribe button and also ensure you like this video and drop a comment of where you're watching from. So if you have done that, let's proceed. To get this bonus is very simple. All you just have to do is to check the description. You find a link that will lead you to my Telegram channel right there. After getting there, click on it and you find the link to get to this platform there. Just click on the link to get to the platform and it is going to direct you to the platform. So this is what their platform looks like. As you can see, they have different accounts. They have different accounts. And this is what we are looking for right here. As you can see, the free $1,000 per firm. Now, I want you to know that I'll also be talking about the terms and conditions in this particular video. Just stay with me. All right. So the first thing you have to do, just click on get started right here and you wait for it to load. All right. So as you can see right here, you have to do is just to input these required details right here. And after entering everything, then you click on the continue, register an account with them. So this right here is the email I got from them. I just have to input the code and proceed. So after verifying your email, you have to verify your account to be able to get this particular bonus. To be able to get this prop firm rather, just include this right here and start verification right here. All right. And just follow every single step that they are going to require from you. I'm going to verify mine right now and I'll get back to the video. So as you can see right here, they are currently verifying me and this usually takes less than a minute. So after verifying your account, you'll be able to get the $1,000 free prop firm account and then you can start trading. And also as for the terms and conditions, as for that, they are very simple and straightforward. As you can see, the starting balance is $1,000 and profit target is 10%, which is $100. Maximum drawdown is 5%, which is $50. And daily drawdown is also 5%. Leverage 2x. Evaluation type is one step challenge. Now it is free. All right. As you can see, it is free. And reward split, which is profit split, is 100%. All right, as you can see right here. So this is how you can get this particular prop firm account. If you have gotten yours, drop a comment saying you have gotten yours so that other people can believe this and also get theirs as well. And don't forget, if this is your first time of coming across my channel, don't forget to join my Telegram channel so that you can keep getting updates, and also subscribe to this YouTube channel so that you won't miss out when I drop updates. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.